Hi guys, welcome to our channel VBA Coder. If you are new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. So to create a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel, I have the data and I've created a sample data inside my worksheet. So this video first we will be seeing the output of a 3D pie chart. Then we will be getting a deep understanding about the code which has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is our 3D pie chart in VBA Excel, which has the title, the legends on top, and the values are also shown inside the chart. Now let's get into our VBA editor and see what all code has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So as you can see on the screen that this is the simplest code to create a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. So this is our VBA editor and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. The first step what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our data. So as you can see on the screen that this is our data and we have selected a single cell inside our data. Once you select a single cell in the data, what we are going to do is we are going to use a single with statement to create this chart. Now let's see what this with statement does. So we are going to type with active shape dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the bracket we are going to give some parameters to create this chart. So the first parameter will be chart value. Remember, each and every chart has a different value, and for our video we have a value of 2 for this chart. After that we are going to give a chart type, like what kind of chart we are trying to build. So we have to give that. In our video we are going to create a Excel 3D pie chart, so we have to mention the same over here, and then we are going to give the left and top parameter to position our pie chart, a 3D pie chart in VBA. Once you have given this, we are going to close the brackets and then we are going to type dot chart. So once you have written this line of code, what we have to do is we have to give some other parameters to the chart. So the parameters are, we are going to set the chart title, we are going to show the data labels, and we are going to set the legends on top. So these are the things which we are going to do once you have written this active sheet dot shapes code. So in the next line what we are going to do is we are going to type dot has title equals to true. Once you have given this, VBA understands that our chart title has our chart has a chart title, and then we have to mention what chart title we have to give. So for that we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to and then our name of our chart. For this video I have kept my chart title as 3D pie chart in VBA Excel, and you can modify this as per your convenience. After that what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the legends on top over here. So as you can see our legends are on top over here. So to do that we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element legend top. And so this will set our legends on top of our chart. After that, we are going to show the data labels with their category names. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot apply data labels, and after a space we are going to type show category name colon equals to true. Once you have given this parameter, or you can say this line of code, your data labels with the category and value will be appearing on your pie chart, on your 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. And then we are going to end the with statement which we started over here. So we will be writing end with over here. And since you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a 3D pie chart in VBA Excel. And what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell inside our worksheet to deselect our chart. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, then please do comment in the comment section. Till then, reach to our channel page BPO Coder. Well, have a great day. Bye.